Welcome to Colorfield Public Art Studio Series, Session 5. Our Colorfield inspiration today is Sam Falls and the large-scale artwork Untitled, also known as wind chimes. Falls' interactive sculptures demonstrate the concept of ephemerality, which means only lasting for a short time. Each time a chime hits the clapper in the center, it makes a sound and a bit of color on the surface falls away. This change in color acts as an index of the exact moment that the chime made contact. In this way, the work is both ephemeral and enduring. Today we are going to make our own wind chime inspired by this piece using household materials. Let's get started. Here's your list of materials. You can use 4 paper towel cardboard tubes or 8 toilet paper tubes. You'll need rigid plastic straws, string, scissors and invisible tape, toothpicks, an X-Acto knife, ticky-tack or putty or a similar adhesive, decoration materials like craft paper, electric tape, or decorative tape, markers, stickers, etc., and optional craft bells. Step 1. Decide how you'd like to decorate your cardboard tubes. An easy way to cover them is by rolling them up in colorful craft paper and sealing the paper with electrical or decorative tape. If you're using smaller toilet paper tubes, just connect the 2 tubes together to make a longer chime like the Sam Falls sculpture. Step 2. Once you're done decorating your tubes, start to poke small holes about a finger width from the top of each tube with an X-Acto knife. Insert a toothpick into the first hole and then eyeball the area where you will make the next hole on the other side. Push the toothpick through to create the balanced connection for your chime. Do this for all your remaining tubes. Optional step 3. If you want to add some sound to your chime, knot some craft bells to a piece of string and secure it to your toothpick with a double knot. Make sure you have about the same number of bells inside each tube. Step 4. Cut your plastic straw in half. Step 5. Use a bit of ticky-tack to secure your straws in an X or cross shape. Cut off about 2 feet of string and center it in the middle of your straws. Then tie a transom knot to keep the shape intact. Here's how to tie a transom knot, but if you didn't catch it, look online for examples. The excess string will be used to hang your wind chime. Pull the knot taut to secure it in place. Step 6. Cut 2 pieces of string, one shorter and one longer. You can play with length here, but just be sure your shortest string is at least a foot long. Thread each string into each straw and connect the ends of your strings to all 4 of your chimes with a knot. It may be easier to stand your tubes upright to knot your string ends to the toothpick balance point of each chime. Your Sam Falls inspired wind chime is complete. Listen to the gentle sound it makes when it spins. Thanks for joining me on Public Art Studio, and I'll see you next time for another creative color field session.